Hey everyone, Tracy Ullman here, founder of Soulscapes Reiki Laser Skin Center. And wouldn't you love to leave the house without wearing any makeup? Wouldn't that just make your day so much easier? Well, I have a solution for you. I would like to invite you to our open house on Sunday, October 7th from 1 to 3 to demonstrate and inform you how you can erase age and sunspots, even out your skin tone, and even shrink those large, ugly pores that our makeup sinks into. And some of you may be watching this video, may have already experienced the sea salt facial, so why not bring a friend with you so that they too can learn why the sea salt facial has been featured on the Doctor Show. It is Soulscapes' #1 facial, and we're having an open house to demonstrate it to you. So mark your calendars for Sunday, October 7th from 1 to 3, and join us for live demonstrations and take advantage of our special pricing offering available at the open house. So be sure to click the link below and register. And I look forward to seeing you on Sunday, October 7th.